So how do we fix a stripped thread on the carburetor? One way is to use a chemical compound or one of these. So you slice that into a small piece, you ball it up until it's like a marble, and then you shove it in that hole, making sure it comes through the other side, and then you leave it overnight to go off. You could leave it a few days if you want to be extra safe, but then you come along, you drill it and you re-tap it in the hope that it will hold. There is another option, and that is to simply replace it. Now if we take this, or the original one, if we try to put that back in there, as you can see, it wobbles around, and if we push it hard enough it will actually go back through, so there's no thread left. So we pull the thread out of the aluminium, and unfortunately you need something with the head on. And if you take a look at this, if we can put that bolt in that way, we're going to replace the thread, and obviously we've got something there to hold it. Now there's still some thread in that hole, but not very much, but we can't get that back through there because we've got this little piece at the front. So what we're going to attempt to do is replace the original one with this bolt by modifying the carburetor. So let's take a look at what I did to do this. So what I'm going to attempt to do is to take this section off at the end with the Dremel or multi-tool to give me clearance for that bolt to go downwards. So I've now got to the point where I'm almost out, and I need to cut across the other section now that's holding it. So I need to cut downwards. So there we have it. We have a small section there that we've just taken off, and what you should see is that this bolt now should be able to go in that well, not in that direction, but it should be able to go down and screw in, but past that, but it won't. So we need to clearance that a little bit more just for the head. I mean, if we had got a complete hole through without any thread, then I could just drop the bolt through and tighten it up like that, but I would prefer if I can screw this bolt down through that section while still retaining everything I've got at the top. So as you can see, it almost fits, but it won't turn because it's hitting this back section. So I need to clearance that a little bit more. And as always with the cutting discs, you know, you will go through many of these doing simple jobs because of the size of them. They are so delicate, but they are impressive in their cutting capability. So I've now taken off the rest of that section. So what you should be able to do is screw the bolt in the wrong way, like that, and it should clearance everything down here with any luck. So I've now got another issue, it's catching somewhere else. Like I said, the easiest version will be to drill this out and just put a bolt in it straight down the middle. I'm just being stubborn the way I want to do it. I can see now we're going to have another clearance issue. So I still haven't taken off enough of that red. So we've now clearanced the back, so the bolt will go through. So what I've decided to do is just clearance that hole with the drill. Only a small amount of wastage coming out of there. We can get that in easily. So what we need to be able to do is put that in from the top, and as you can see, we've now got something that can screw on there, and that will tighten that up nicely when we come to fit this back on the manifold. So we shouldn't be pulling on that one. It is a little bit longer than expected, but it will do the job and save another carburetor from going into the scrap heap. So what we've done is we've taken out the old small stud that was in here and replaced it by a longer bolt. Obviously drilling that out has enabled us to get the nut head all the way down, and then when we put this back on the carburetor, it will tightly nip onto the manifold, and then once again we should get a good seal around that gasket. So as you can see here now, we've got that longer bolt going through the carb into the manifold and showing at the bottom. We could cut that down if we needed, but I think we'll leave that alone as it seems to be doing its job.